Hey squad, welcome back to Prepping with Sarge. Today I'm going to show you the Wazoo Gear cash cap. This one is actually a custom made one that was sent to me by my friend Dustin, who is one of the co-CEOs over there. Dustin and Nick, good friends to our channel here. This thing's awesome. It's got 6 hidden pockets in it. Let's go inside and check it out together. All right, well, what do we love about Wazoo Gear Company? Well, first of all, they're some of the friendliest, nicest, kindest people that you'll ever meet in the industry. But they're also one of the most innovative companies that you'll ever deal with in terms of survival, hiking, camping, EDC gear. So this is, thank you so much, Dustin. I love this. They took my logo there and superimposed it on Old Glory. So this is a customized cash cap. But you can get the cash cap on their website along with a lot of other gear. And the idea with the cash cap is that we have some hidden pockets in here that you could store some EDC gear, so it's always on you. And the cash belt is very similar to that. So this has got 6 pockets. Obviously, we've got some high-vis reflective lining in there, so that can be used for signaling if you're lost in the wilderness, things like that. And let's go ahead and take a look at a couple things. So first of all, this version has a hook and loop closure, so you can add a patch to it. So let's add our LT Right. Let's add our LT Right patch because we love those guys and they're friends with Wazoo. So everybody's going to be cool with this. And then let's give you some ideas about what you could possibly put in this. But before we do that, I just want to share this with y'all. So this was, who writes handwritten notes anymore? Only awesome people do this, right? So he writes, Tom, I'm so appreciative of our friendship and support for little old Wazoo. Hope you dig this custom cash cap. If you do, we'll do a better version for you. Thanks a ton for all you do for the community and those in need. You got a big heart. Enjoy, Dustin and Wazoo crew. So everybody over at Wazoo, I really appreciate you guys and everything that you do for the community and for partnering with people like me so that we can get the word out there about what awesome products y'all have. They all sent me a little bit, looks like a sticker pack here. So let's go ahead and see what we got for stickers. Oh, that's really cool. So we got a little like in the style of the Swiss Army knife with the Wazoo logo on there. And in the style of like, the Wrangler jeans. I don't have those 2 stickers, so thank you guys. A little glitter sticker or holographic sticker. This one here I have, so I might trade that one because now I've got some duplicates. I definitely did not have these 2 either. So thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. And women, there's women that work over there as well. Thank you everybody over at Wazoo Gear Company. Really like those. All right, so let's go ahead and start filling some of these pockets here. Give you some different ideas of what you could do with this. So again, we got some hook and loop closure right there. What could you put in there? Well, a couple things come to mind for me. I think on my old version, what I had was a couple bandages in there that I just folded up. Let's go ahead and try that. Yep, little finger bandages that held nicely. All right, and you've got a couple slots here and here. Now they sell a ferro striker on the website that you can put in there. I actually happen to have a piece of ferrocerium rod, so let's just go ahead and slide that one. Let's go ahead and slide that one right there. And in the other one, I've got these little chem lights. So I've got a little bit of like light for map reading or something like that in my tent. Or I was actually at a barbecue and I had a couple of these in my hat and I just pulled them out in front of, there was little kids at the party and pulled them out and started snapping them and they had a blast playing with them. And they were like, where did you get those from? And I said, I had them in my hat. And they were like, what? What kind of a hat has those in them? So it was pretty cool, a little educational opportunity to talk to some children about EDC gear. Okay, and just to give you an idea, so I put that one in that side. So just to give you an idea, you could also get like one of the mini ceramic strikers and ferrocerium rods and you do that as well. All right, let's go ahead and see what else we got. So this is actually a little mini fishing kit. Now you should check Wazoo Gear's website because they sell a lot of this kind of stuff there as well for filling in the cash belts. Let's go ahead and put that in the front there with the finger bandages because that's gonna fit nicely there. And this here is some fishing line. We probably could fit that in there as well, but let's go ahead and start using some of these other pockets. Again, we have really nice hook and loop closure in here. So let's go ahead and let's put this one in here. While we got that open, What else do we want to put? Well, since I like to carry a little bit of first aid kit with me, I could probably fold that, or it might not even need to fold it. Oh, look at that. I don't even need to fold that. And let's see. These are like those, they're called steri strips, but it's similar to like zip strips, if you know what I'm talking about. So if you couldn't get to the hospital to get stitches, you could use these to close a bigger wound. So we could probably, yep, look at that. So now I've got finger bandages, a little bit of gauze, and zip stitches or steri strips in there, okay? And that's just, it's not even completely full. What else could we put in there? Okay, Wazoo had, I don't know if they still got them on their website. Wazoo had these little kits here, which is a bag, and you could put water purification tablets in there. And these little Ranger bands here are also flame starters. You could burn them as to start a fire. So let's go ahead and put one of these guys over here. Now I've got a way to purify and store water. So we've got a way to start fire. But what if we want another way to start fire? What if we want another way to start fire? It's always good to have a backup. How about a little Fresno lens? And this is a flexible one, so it's not like glass. Why don't we add that in here as well? Now we have another way to start a fire. Okay. How about that? All right. What if you're a coffee addict, right? I could throw one of these in there, or I could probably fit it over here. So let's do this, right? Because I have to have caffeine, right? If I got lost in the woods and I can't get my caffeine, oh boy. What if I want to throw a little electrolyte packet in there too? So I can add that to my water, which I've now purified, and this will actually not only add some electrolytes to it, it's going to make it taste a whole lot better than pond water. Starting to see the possibilities here? What else? All right, how about we add one of those Wazoo fire cards? Another little fire starter. All right, these are really cool. Check those out on the website. These burn like crazy. In fact, I've got a shorts video demonstrating those. You can check that out. And you know what? That's still not full. What if we want add a little safety whistle? Why not? I feel like I got a little bit more room on this side over here. Now I've got a little signaling safety whistle in there. All right. Guess what, folks? I still could probably squeeze in a few more things. What other kind of ideas do we have? We could add some Gorilla Tape. We could add a little bit of cash. We could add some fire tape if we wanted a different type of fire starter. We could add a couple of those fire plugs. You know, I would take them out of here and put them into, you know, something smaller, maybe like a bag like that. What if we wanted to add some lock picks, right? This actually fits on that side, and this actually fits on this side. Believe it or not, it doesn't scratch my head because I tried it earlier. But you could bend it slightly and fit it in there if you're worried about that, right? Or you could buy some smaller lock picks, right? Just different possibilities here. It's a really cool piece of kit, guys. And check out the belt while you're on their website as well. And you got the hook and loop closure on the back, so it's adjustable. And all that gear that I put in there, believe it or not, it still fits on my head and doesn't look super bulky, right? So that is the Wazoo cash cap from Wazoo Gear Company. And I got to say once again, I love that you all customized it for me. Thank you so much, Dustin and Nick and everybody over at Wazoo Gear Company. I've been partnered with this brand now for a couple of years, and it's been a fantastic partnership. And I get to see them at different events like George Bushcraft and things like that. So I get to actually hang out with these guys. Good company, good people. They test everything. You can go on their website, and on Instagram, they show a lot of their policies regarding products that get rejected because it doesn't meet their standards. I stand by their stuff. Let's go ahead and give you a discount code for them right now. Make it just a little bit easier. This should get you 5% discount on their website. And if you use my link in the description down below, we'll also put a QR code here in just a minute. That will actually help me out as well. I can get a little commission. Just tells them that I sent you over there, and helps me to, they'll give me a little commission, no extra cost to you. Helps me to sustain the channel. All right, squad, I hope you enjoyed that. This is the Wazoo Gear Cash Cap from Wazoo Gear Company. We'll go ahead and put a link in the description down below, of course. And if you use my link and you use my discount code, let's go ahead and flash those up on the screen right now. It helps me out a little bit, gives me a little commission for the channel, helps me to produce more content for you. And of course, that comes at no extra cost to you. My commission comes off of the Wazoo Gear Company. They absorb the costs of that, all right? So this is the Cash Cap. Make sure you check it out. And while you're over there on the website, check out also their fire starter necklace, which I love. And check out their sharpening stone, the Viking Whetstone, the cash belt. They have all kinds of cool products, always adding new stuff, always innovating. Make sure you check them out. Tell them Prepping with Sarge sent you. Hey, keep planting your seeds, keep stacking your silver. This is Prepping with Sarge.